if you have this kind of a Wi-Fi dongle and you don't have a CD to install the driver software, don't worry, I have you covered. For some PCs this will work as plug and play, but for those who have this and doesn't work, I'll provide you with a zip file down in the description box below. I'll give you 3 major softwares. Check them out. Any one of those drivers should work for you. Alright, if you have this kind of a Wi-Fi chip, then download my zip file down below. You'll find all the 3 popular driver software. So anything should work. All right, thank you for watching.